This is my opinion, not the opinion of the 11 prosecutors. We have to remember that there are two principal penalties in case the respondent in an impeachment case is convicted. These two principal penalties are removal and perpetual disqualification. While resignation from office will render moot and academic the penalty of removal, it is my position that we need to continue the trial for the senator judges to be able to determine whether or not they will impose as well the penalty of perpetual disqualification.
Alalahanin po natin that this is also due process for VP Sara. So, pagkakataon niya to. So, it's time for her to face and answer the accusations against her. Kung walang kasalanan, dapat walang iniiwasan o walang dapat iwasan. Wala rin dapat pagtakpan at hindi dapat ito hinaharang. So, well, I guess I heard from the news that the counsels of VP Sara will be responding to the summons by filing the appropriate answer. So, pagkakataon niya to, this is due process for her.